So in this video, I'm going to talk about alkynes as well as the acidity of terminal alkynes. And so to begin with, I want to give an overview on what alkynes are. And so down here, you have the typical alkyne. And so as you can see, it has a triple bond right here. And so in that, it has two pi bonds as well as a sigma bond. And so the overall structure of this, you can see, I drew it as a line. And so the structure of an alkyne is linear overall. And another thing to remember is that the pi bonds in this triple bond right here in this alkyne, they act as nucleophiles, so they are nucleophilic. And then finally, the terminal alkynes, which are alkynes that have a hydrogen on the end. So the terminal alkyne is acidic, and so this hydrogen can be removed with a really strong base. And it's important to remember that this only applies to terminal alkynes. And so you can't deprotonate, so you can't remove a hydrogen on an alkene. And so in the end, if you add a strong base to this, you're going to get an acetylide ion. And so it's also important to remember that this lone pair on this carbon is in the sp orbital. And this is a relatively stable conjugate base. And so this anion can act as a great nucleophile. But before we go on to the reactions carried out by this acetylide ion, let's talk about what strong bases can actually form this acetylide ion. It's not your typical bases that you normally think are strong. They're much stronger. And so there are two of them that we're going to be concerned with. And so down here you have NH2, and then over here you have an organolithium reagent. And so the pKa's of this, so this one has a pKa of 36, and then this one has an even larger pKa of 50. And so both of these will be strong enough to actually remove the terminal hydrogen on an alkyne. And so that pretty much sums it up for this video. I just wanted to give you an overview on alkynes. In the next video, we're going to talk about more reactions of alkynes. But I hope you liked this video and found it useful. If you did, please be sure to give it a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.